Mmm. Homemade fish burger. Very nice.
With tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce.
Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're well and hope you have a great day today. So I'm making this fish burger with tartar sauce and I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's start off by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes as desired. Now squeezing half a lemon. Give that all a good mix and then I'm going to be adding this fish. Now I've got this fish from Asda. You can literally buy any fish that you like. Spread the marination evenly and leave this aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now that the fish is out of the way, let's prepare the coating. We need 1 cup of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of basil herbs and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano herbs and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just give that all a good mix and now your coating is ready. For coating we also need egg wash. I've added 3 eggs and a drop of milk. Just give that a good whisk and this is now ready as well. So time to now fry up this fish. Make sure the oil is hot but then keep the temperature on medium. So first up, coat the fish in the egg wash, then in the flour coating and then back in the egg wash and then again in the flour coating and now your fish is ready to fry. Fry the fish until both sides are crispy and golden and just keep turning the fish occasionally. And alhamdulillah, the fish will look like this. Yummy. So I'm just preparing the rest and that satisfaction when somebody is eating my food and inshallah giving me du'as is absolutely amazing. Now it's time to prepare the tartar sauce. So in a plate we need 1 cup of mayonnaise and some spring onion. Now adding some dried parsley and a bit of mustard sauce. You can add jalapenos like myself or you can add Gherkins, that's totally up to yourself. Give that a good mix and this is ready as well. I'm using these buns, I got it from the local shop and I'm going to toast this. So in a flat pan I've just added a bit of ghee and I'm just going to toast both sides for a few seconds and then inshallah that's ready as well. So let's plate this beauty up. In a plate we have the bun, ketchup, spread that, lettuce, the fish, cheese, that beautiful tartar sauce, and here we go, it is now ready, alhamdulillah. I hope you like that guys. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.